In this episode, I demonstrate how to remove a tail light.
To me, pay attention, don't ever fall in love.
It's the devil's own invention.
For what you better not with the meaning so bewitching.
It's Henrietta Bell.
Down in Captain Callow's kitchen. Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie, and Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie.
At the age of 17, I apprenticed to a grocer not far from Stevens Green.
Where Miss Henry used to go, sir.
Her manners are sublime. She set my heart a twitching when she invited me
to a party in the kitchen. Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie, and Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie. Sunday was the day that he wants to get his fare up. He dressed himself quite gay.
I frizzed it all in my hair.
The captain and the wife, and he gone a fishing.
She drove me on the slow.
Believe the old man. With Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie, and Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie.
Her arms around my waist, she slyly hinted marriage.
Went to the door and Hayes came Captain Kelly's carriage. Her fucking eyes were full of hate.
Poison she was spitting.
The captain kicked the door in and stole into the kitchen.
When
Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie, and Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie.
when the captain came downstairs, though he saw my situation,
In spite of all his pride,
myself to the station.
they take no
To
bait.
get home, I was itching.
They had to tell the
I
tale.
came to the kitchen.
Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie, and Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie.
I said she didn't invite me.
But she gets that
For
denial.
assault, she didn't indict me, and I was set for trial.
Boy around there, fucking in spite of all restriction.
I got 6 more toes.
Bar is cut in the kitchen.
When
Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie, and Turner and lime, and Turner and Laddie.
the Forbes Academy of Irish Dance. You thought they were good. Where do you see what's next?
As you saw when I took off the broken tail light, there was a ton of sealant around the edge. You really got to get it all out. It's really thick stuff, and I guess it's actually factory sealant, but to replace it, it comes in 10-gallon buckets or something like that. So instead, I did is I bought the tail light seal kit from only 944, and we're going to try that, see how it works. It comes in a pack of 2 for about 20 bucks. So I'm only placing the one tail light, so I only have to do the one seal right now, and if I ever have to take the other one out, then I'll do the other one at some point. But let me try to get this on there.
Time has numbered my days, and I'll go along with everything you say. But I ride home laughing, look at me now, that the walls of my town, they come crumbling down. And my ears hear the call of my unborn sons.
Doesn't want to stick very well because it seemed to pick up a lot of, pulled too much sticker off and picked up a lot of sawdust off of my workbench.
I know that choice is color all I've done, but I'll explain it all to the watchman's son. I ain't never lived a year better spent in love. 'Cause I know my I know perhaps my heart is fast, but I'll be born without a mask.
Seems to be staying on a lot better this time. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's go put it back on the car. So the other thing you want to do while you're in here working on this area is clean out your drain tubes. They connect right back here. Just get some weed whacker cable and run it through. These were both really clogged up on mine. I did the same thing on the sunroof drains, and they were fine, but these both were really clogged up, and it just comes out here on the bottom. Right there on both sides. So the water comes down in here and then runs down into this, and this just connects to the plug up here. Take this out. I'll show you how to put it back together, but it comes up here and comes up to the plug like that. So I'll leave it out of the way until I get the taillight back in.
Like the city that nurtured my greed and my pride, I stretch my arms into the sky. I cry, Babel, Babel, look at me now. The walls of my town, they come crumbling down. You ask, where will we stand in the winds that will howl? As all we see will slip into the cloud. So come down from your mountain and stand where we've been. You know our breath is weak and our body thin. Press my nose up to the glass around your heart. I should have known I was weaker from the start. You'll build your walls, and I will play my bloody part to tear them down. Well, I'm gonna tear them down. 'Cause I know my weakness, know my voice, and I'll believe in grace and choice. And I know perhaps my heart is fast, but I'll be born without a mask.
Yeah, so just for everybody's viewing pleasure, this is what the plug is supposed to look like. This is what it does look like. So if you're buying one of these on eBay, like I did, pay attention to what kind of plug you have and what kind you're buying. So now I'm gonna have to figure out what doesn't work right now, and B, fix it. Can I take this plug and put it onto these wires? Good news is there's 2 wires on this one and 2 wires on that one. This is from the old one. So the only thing that this plug actually controls is the side marker. Everything else actually worked, no problem. So what we're going to do is cut this plug off, wire the wires together, see if it works. And it works. So I'll make this a little bit more secure. Success. Alright guys, I almost didn't do a video on this one because I thought it would be so easy doing a taillight replacement, but to recap, the seal didn't go on very well the first time because my workbench was not clean. So clean your workbench before you do anything with sticky stuff. And then we had a problem with the plug. So make sure you find the right part, look at what you got before you buy something new to save yourself a little time. But if you do have something that doesn't come out quite right, you can work through it, be patient, try to get it to work, and at the end of the day, hopefully you can make it work. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like these videos, you want to see some more. Thanks.